QNT continues to hold above a key area of support above the $78 and also above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which are both acting as support for us to continue gearing up even higher. And on today's video, I will be focusing on my key areas of support that we need to continue holding in the next coming hours. Also discuss this trend line that is here on the 4-hour chart that is just about to give us a breakdown move, that is a breakout move to the lower side, and also discuss my long-term price prediction analysis, giving you reasons why we can easily see more than a 10x in this bull market. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 6th of September. You can all see that we have seen a very nice bounce to the upside, breaking through key areas of resistances in a move that has now given us a high above the $80 mark. And at the time of this recording, we now seem to be losing that momentum to continue pushing the price even higher. And the first key area of support that we need to see QNT hold above lies above the $78. And if by any chance we get any sudden pullbacks losing the $78, then I will be watching for a break to the lower side of this ascending trend line, which will be the first indication that we have now started to see a market structure shift, which will be the start of an indication that in the next coming hours we might see a bit of a short-term pullback here on the QNT chart. And if that is the case, then using the Fibonacci, pulling the fibs from the lows that we made on the 6th of September to the highs above the $80 mark, we can get a minimum retracement area into the golden pocket between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $68.3 and the $65.4, which is the area over here, which is an area that should also act as support in case we get that sudden pullback. And as long as we continue holding within this area over here, then I will be expecting much of a consolidation before we can finally see another breakout to the upside, breaking through key areas of resistances in a move that can easily give us a push back above the $90. That is the case scenario that we need to have in mind on the short term. And in case we continue holding above key areas of support, then we still have the chance of seeing another push to the upside and get above the $90 in the next coming hours. Jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term price prediction analysis, you can see that we got our bear market lows below the $40 and started a 5-wave structure to the upside, which peaked above the $229, completing an even larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in an Elliot wave count 2, minimum target areas highlighted here on the charts using these red target area we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave. And in the next coming hours or maybe days, we are going to continue seeing that aggressive bounce to the upside in what I will be terming as an Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the bear market low to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the lows that we have in this Elliot wave count 2, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $355.1. And based on the current prices that we have at the moment, that will easily give us a 5x to the upside. Then we can expect a short-term pullback in this Elliot wave count 4, then continue gearing up even higher in an Elliot wave count 5, taking us to new all-time highs and possibly giving us more than a 10x to the upside. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the long term and also on the short term. So let's continue paying attention to the key area of support above the $78 and also the ascending trend line that I have here on the charts. And that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.